Okay, I've got a bunch of eggs that I just grabbed out of the fridge. They've been in the fridge for a while, and I'm like, I'm really craving eating an omelette or scrambled eggs, but I'm not sure if they're still good to eat. I've been told that you can tell if an egg's good or not if it'll sink to the bottom of a bowl of water, so we're going to give that a shot. Let me find a bowl of water. Find a bowl and then fill it up with water. Hey, here we go. Just really keen not to kill myself by eating a bad egg. Alright, so I'm going to fill this baby up with water, and then we're going to test this out. Am I going to be lucky? Am I going to be getting eggs tonight, or am I going to eat a sandwich? I don't know. Oh, an egg sandwich would be good too. Alright, so let's test this out. Okay, so if it floats, it's bad, and they semi-sink. Alright. Ooh. That's semi-sinking. It's kind of bouncing around though. Yeah, okay. That one's good. This one's good. We'll put this one out here. You have passed. He's bouncing. Hasn't made up his mind yet. Okay. You're semi-good. You're good too. Oh, looking good. Looks like I'm going to be having me an egg sandwich or some eggs sort of thingamabob. Yep, you're good too. Huh. Maybe. Oh, that almost looked like it was going to float for a second there. Yeah. I'm testing all these eggs because I don't know if any of these are off, and I'm not really keen on eating any rotten eggs here. Last two. Oh, it feels a bit floaty. No. Down the bottom two. I really think I should be eating these tonight, not leaving them around. Oh, a bad one! Holy smokes! And the last egg, people. There you go. That's why it was a good idea to test all of them. The last one's rotten. Oh, look at him float. Oh, he's not sinking. Oh, he's not sinking at all. Oh. Looks like I dodged some food poisoning right there. Oh, this was really worth it. Look at him. Oh, he's floating. He's clearly floating. He's not like the others. The others kind of went bounce, bounce, bounce. This dude is full rotten. Well, this guy's completely rotten. Whew. It was the last one too. The last one, remember? I was just literally, look, I found it just as you guys have. But, the last one, what are the chances? I was just like, oh, now it should be good. But look at that, the last rotten one. It's always the last one, Murphy's Law. I should go out and buy a lotto ticket. Alright, well, we're back. Another, it might be an urban legend, is another test that I've been told that you can use to test if eggs are rotten is by spinning them around. Or that might just be to tell if they're a hard-boiled egg or not. So, we have the water test that we just did, and now we're going to try this and spin them. If it spins easily, they're meant to be rotten. If it doesn't spin easily, it's fresh. So that's... that spun alright. What about this one? That one's spinning really well. So my guess is that's the rotten one. Theoretically, the reason for that would be because it's gone all hard on the inside. So maybe that's why it's the rotten one. I'm reckoning that that's the good one. We're going to use the water test to see if I am correct. So I reckon this is a good one. So using the water test, it should just sink to the bottom, right? Yep. Looks like it's sunk to the bottom. And this one's the rotten one. and it should float, right? Let's see if we're right again. Okay. Oh, yep, that's the one. There we go. So you can use the spinning test, but as you can see, it's not always the easiest way to tell whether it's spinning well or not. I think you should always just follow up with the water test. If you like the video, click on the subscribe and also make sure to click on the bell to ensure you get notifications when a new video comes along. And yeah, look, if you really liked it, leave a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see more of, and also like. Thank you very much, and see you guys soon.